Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. You're probably watching this video because your furnace is blowing cold air out of your vents, and scrolling above we have a video that talks about the most common causes. However, in this video we want to focus on how to test your pressure switch. Let's get started. Alright, YouTubers, downstairs in the furnace room, and here is our furnace. We have a Bryant brand, and if yours is very similar to this, hopefully we can help you solve your furnace issues. Again, there is the brand Bryant. And this is an access panel or cover panel. This little knob here basically releases that back screw right there. Go ahead and unscrew that. And down at the bottom, it's in a little slot. So you just pull up and move this screw. Just like that. We'll set this aside. Inside here are instructions for safety. Read these before operating or repairing or doing any troubleshooting on this. Back at our actual furnace, and grab a flashlight, and you'll notice your pressure valve. You've got a line that feeds all the way back there, and what I want to do is actually remove that line from back there. And if you suck on it, I know that sounds odd, maybe clean it off a little bit, but if you suck on it, you will hear a clicking sound. Hear that? So we do hear a clicking sound when we suck this. So what we want to do is we want to actually suck this and then bend it to keep the trapped suction in the line and see if that lights it. Make sure your switch here is on as well. So we'll come over here, turn this switch on. And if everything starts lighting up, you know this is the cause. Definitely making a different sound now. This is a self-lighting system, so there is no manual pilot light that you have to light or anything like that. And you will learn that in those actual instructions. And there it goes. Check that out. And we're going to write down or take a picture of the actual part number, and we're going to order a brand new pressure valve and install this. That's it, YouTubers. Hopefully this video helps. Below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.